Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today's video is useful for all the beginners and for everyone who wants to start up doing their makeup and creating their little makeup pouch. So today I have a few drugstore makeup products which every one of you can get your hands on. I'll show you what are the different products to begin with if you are starting off on your makeup journey. Without further ado, let's move into the video. So after getting done with your skincare, the very first thing that I would recommend is, so I have a few videos about skincare, so I'm not going into the skincare products, but telling you one thing. Before jumping into your foundation or concealer, make sure that you have moisturized your face. Your face should be drenching and it should feel that you have had a lot of water just. So I feel moisturizing is very important. So the first step is moisturizing. And after you are done with your moisturizing, then what are the steps? That is what I'm going to share with you today. So after moisturizing is complete, the very next step is applying your foundation. If you want to go ahead with your concealer, then you definitely can, but I use the foundation, a lighter shade, as my concealer. You can do one thing, you can definitely go ahead with a Maybelline Fit Me concealer. That is also really nice product. So for the foundation, I use Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Matte normal to oily skin, and this foundation, it has two sizes. One is the full size which has a pump packaging, and the other is this is a small tube of that. So this doesn't have a pump packaging, so this is a tester. It comes for 200 something or 300 I think. So if you don't want to go for the full size right at the beginning, so you can definitely check out the smaller size. Choose your shade colors very nicely. I at times mix 128 warm nude, 115 ivory. So I really like mixing these two shades and working on, or sometimes I go for 128, sometimes I go for 115 ivory. So choose your shades accordingly. So after the foundation, the very next step is applying your contour and your highlighter and your blush. So I don't apply all of that on a regular basis, but if you want to, then you can definitely go ahead with that. So I showed you in my sugar haul, I showed you one face palette. It's their Contour de Force face palette. It's from the brand Sugar. So if you have not watched that video, I'll link it in the description box. Please go and check that out. So you can use that palette. That's 3-in-1. You have your contour, it's a beautiful color, you have your highlight, and you have your blush as well. So that's very pocket friendly and very convenient at the same time. The next thing I have from Sugar, this is their illuminating moisturizer, and I would highly recommend this moisturizer. This is in the shade Gold Digging, and it is a beautiful illuminizing moisturizer. It gives your skin instant illuminating, glowing, juicy effect. So I really like this moisturizer. Now moving ahead, you need a loose powder. So setting your makeup, if you're applying foundation, if you are oily skin type, then you have to set your foundation with that. So with something. So I have for you today, this is the Lakme 9 to 5 Natural. This is their finishing powder, and it has aloe vera and green tea extracts. So this powder is very nice. I really like it. Has a puff inside. I'm not opening. It's a loose powder, if you can see. So I have used a lot. And to apply such a powder, you can either use the puff which they provide, or you can have a brush like this. This is a very soft brush. I have their entire set, and this is the Solimo flat angled foundation brush. So I use this brush to, you know, sort of set my face or set my concealer or the round of around my mouth and my nose. So I used to set this powder with this brush. So I really like this powder a lot. Or you can also go for the Sugar powder, translucent powder. That is also good. Moving to the next product, you need an eyeshadow palette, and I would tell you go in with something of this sort. So this is their Makeup Revolution Sofix Extra Spice eyeshadow palette, and they have some beautiful colors here. This is all, I think, this is all you need, right? If you are, starting off with makeup. I'm very sure this palette will do the entire work for all of you. You can also try out a Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 eyeshadow palette. That is also great. So another foil eyeshadow palette I would like to talk about is a Swiss Beauty. Their art, the shades are beautiful. I will give a swatch video, so stay tuned for that. So the shades here are beautiful. It comes with a sponge tip applicator brush, which I think it's of no use. So these are the shades, pretty colors. As you can see, I have used it to create a makeup look. So it's beautiful, and I'm already wearing this yellow and the copper shade from there. So this eyeshadow palette is also beautiful. This is very convenient, comes for 250 or 300 rupees. So definitely check this out. The next thing you need is your mascara. For mascara, you can definitely use the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express. This is the waterproof mascara because I like the waterproof variant at times, but not on a regular basis. For a regular basis, you can use a washable mascara like Iconic from Lakme. For your eyeliner, I would suggest, this is a recent launch from Lakme, and this is their Lakme Iconic eyeliner. This is a beautiful eyeliner. I'm wearing it right now. You can definitely give this a shot once. The next, for your kajal, which I'm wearing right now, this is their Lakme Iconic again. I really like the entire Iconic series, so definitely check that out. You need a kajal. I have 3 lip shade options for you. Like, one is a brown nude, which is a very nice color. This is from Maybelline. This is the shade is Nude Nuance. This is a very pretty color. And the next shade which I would show you, that is from Maybelline. This is their Super Stay Ink Matte. This is the one which I'm wearing right now, and this is super matte. Like, this is matte and it stays for a long time. The next shade is again from Maybelline, and this is their Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte, and this is a bit orangey color, orangey browny color. So I really like this shade also. So these are the three lipstick recommendations. This is in the shade 11, the Maybelline one, and this one is shade 210, Versatile Lip Color. And this is, as I said, Nude Nuance from Maybelline. This is 657 Nude Nuance. So after this, I would I just have one last thing. So Nykaa has some awesome lash collection. So this is their OTT length lash, which is maximum length and defined lashes. So this is the one which I'm wearing right now, and it's really flattering for someone who is starting off with makeup. This is going to be super exciting for all of you. And for lash fixer, I have the Pack Lash Fixer. This is transparent and this is beautiful. I look no further when it comes to lash fixer. This is my go-to. And lastly, have some makeup brushes which are good. You can use the Start Makers brush collection, or you can use the Solimo collection, brush collection. So I have a review of the Start Makers brush collection. I'll link the video in the description box. Please go and check that out. Thank you so much, and that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you find it helpful, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and click on all so that you don't miss any notification updates from my side. Thank you, take care and stay safe, and signing off. Bye-bye.